DoubleLine Group LP is the parent company of DoubleLine Capital, and it oversees its investment management operations, provides strategic direction, and support for its fixed income investment strategies. I am joined now by DoubleLine President Ronald Redell. Ronald, welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you for having me.
Now you have a new business, ETFs. Tell me about it.
Well, we've actually been in the ETF business since 2015, actually. We first partnered with State Street Global Advisors then, where we actually run 3 ETFs, TOTL, STOT, and EMTL. One's a multi-sector fixed income product, one's an emerging markets fixed income product, and then we have a low duration fixed income product as well. So we actually been running ETF assets for quite a while now, but recently, over the last year, we celebrated the 1-year anniversary of our own DoubleLine ETF companies.
And speaking of investors, tell me about some of the challenges and opportunities that you're seeing in today's economic landscape.
Well, I think the big challenge is the inflationary environment that we're all living in today. With that rising interest rate environment, I think it's important for asset managers to look for risk integration. How do you manage for duration risk and credit risk at the same time? So we actually launched a multi-sector fixed income product ourselves over a year ago. The ticker on that is DBND, D-Bond. And that has done very well, and it's kind of one of those ways that we risk integrate our portfolio by looking at duration and credit risk. It has a very attractive yield, but also we want to look towards a possible recession and be able to manage that credit risk in the portfolio as well.
And what would you like to tell investors?
Well, I think from DoubleLine's perspective, we have a history of innovation. And one of the things that we try to do at DoubleLine is we want to make our investors or investments available in different wrappers, different vehicles. So although we do have the ETFs, we also have mutual funds. We have separately managed accounts. We have CITs. So we're kind of agnostic to the vehicle. We just want to make sure that investors have access to our thought leadership and our investment prowess, whatever vehicle that is. So I think one of the big opportunities that we see right now in the marketplace, I mentioned DCMBS, or DCMB as the ticker. The reason that we think that's very attractive right now is because the regional banking crisis that we've been going through, there's a lot of the banks that are going to diminish their lending in certain areas and certain asset classes, and we think one of those is commercial real estate. Well, that's a great opportunity for asset managers like us, and that's why we've launched the very first low duration investment grade commercial mortgage-backed securities ETF.
Well, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Thanks.